Hey, Tommy here from Worldwide Stereo, and these are the first ever headphones from Sonos, the Sonos Ace. These are over-the-ear headphones with active noise canceling, immersive sound, and spatial audio. It has dynamic head tracking, a 30-hour battery life, with an impressive 3-minute quick charge. With TV audio swap, at the touch of a button, not only will you be able to tap into the Sonos ecosystem, but they're packed with everything that you would expect from a premium headphone. Sonos has been wowing us with innovative technology for home audio and home theater experiences since 2002. In recent years, we've seen them transition from products dedicated for your home to portable speakers such as the Move and the Roam, and now they're tackling the headphone category with the Sonos Ace. The Sonos Ace comes in a fully recyclable package made from sustainably sourced materials. Inside, you'll find the headphones snugly packed with a stylish travel case, covered in a wool-like material that's actually recycled felt. The travel case is slim and rigid, which will pack safely into your travel bag, a backpack, or even a suitcase. We have a USB-C to a USB-C charging cable and a 3.5 to USB-C audio cable held here along with the setup instructions and warranty info. By the way, these headphones come with a standard 1-year warranty. My first impressions of the headphones were great. The ear cup shells are made out of a post-consumer recycled plastic and they're really high quality. The adjustable headband is stainless steel and it has a really smooth adjustment. There's no clicking points to hold them in place. You'll notice that the yoke's actually hidden in the ear cup. To quickly identify the left and the right is very simple, with alternating colors as you can see here on the ear cup mesh, as well as a small left and right symbol. The ear cups and the headband are wrapped in memory foam and covered with a leather-like material. The ear pads are magnetically attached and replaceable, which is a great feature. What's also rad is you can't mix them up. They'll only connect to the side they're supposed to be on. The Sonos Ace are 11 ounces, which fall right in line with other noise-canceling headphones on the market. On the right ear cup, you'll have 2 buttons, one for noise canceling and toggling through to aware mode, and also the content key, which offers unique controls for the Sonos, including audio swap from a compatible Sonos soundbar. More on that in a minute. On the left ear cup, you have the power button, which is also used for pairing. You'll notice 6 microphones around the ear cups for active noise cancellation, aware mode, and when you're taking calls. And finally, these are available in black and soft white. As I mentioned in the beginning, these are Bluetooth 5.4, supporting audio streaming from any Bluetooth-enabled device. The Bluetooth connection also supports multi-point Bluetooth. So if you're hanging out watching a movie or listening to music, and then you get a phone call, your audio will be interrupted, and then you'll easily be able to swap to the call by pushing the content key or declining it with a long hold. You have options for active noise cancellation or aware mode that will blend ambient sound with the music or content you're listening to. You're going to get between 24 to 30 hours of battery life using active noise cancellation or aware mode. You'll charge these with the included USB-C cable. You're going to need about 3 hours for a full charge. There's also a 3-minute rapid charge feature which provides an eye-popping 3 hours of listening time from an empty battery. For music listeners, Sonos Ace supports lossless audio through Bluetooth or with the included USB-C cable. Spatial audio is a feature we're seeing in newer headphones on the market. This is a very cool and immersive listening experience. It actually simulates surround sound or makes you feel like your music is all around you. This is currently supported through select streaming services and devices. If you're using these headphones in a home theater environment, the Sonos Ace headphones support dynamic head tracking, also known as Dolby Atmos tracking. To swap the audio from the Sonos system to the headphones, you'll simply push the content key, and it's really that simple. I'll let you know my experience with that in a moment. It's also important to highlight the Sonos app and how these headphones pair for customizing. Just before the launch of the headphones, Sonos released a new version of their mobile app. It comes with a familiar but new look, better search capabilities, and a more intuitive interface to control your music. For the headphones, the app provides EQ tuning features such as bass, treble, loudness, even balance. If you're a current Sonos user, this should look familiar to you. I tested these out in our showroom where we have an awesome 5.2.4 Sonos surround sound system. I actually had a little trouble at first figuring out how to do the audio swap, but once I made sure that all of the Sonos devices were up to date, it was no biggie. The app prompted me to add TV audio swap, so it was quite simple. While I was testing out the TV audio swap feature, I tried Equalizer 3 on Netflix. I actually had to take the headphones off at one point because I couldn't tell if I was hearing the sound bar through the headphones or it was actually the headphones. The surround sound was very natural. I actually forgot I had the headphones on. For music, I subscribe to Apple One, which gives me all of their streaming services. And since I don't currently own headphones with spatial audio feature, I queued up a made for spatial audio playlist that Apple created. While I was checking out the spatial audio playlist, I noticed that they had Say It Ain't So by Weezer. I played it, and I was noticing right away that I could hear the guitar come in through the right, and everything just sounded so spatial and almost surreal sounding. And while I was listening to it, it felt immediately like it was something I'd never heard before. So I actually paused. So I left Apple and played the same song, and immediately I noticed it was right here, like in my head. It wasn't the experience I had just felt. So I switched back to Apple, and immediately it wasn't that closed off sound that I just experienced. It was boom, it was out here. It was like I was in a room listening to a pair of speakers versus just headphones. I have to say the big standout for me was comfort. I own a lot of headphones. There's a lot in our showroom that I get to try on, and this one was just the most comfortable that I've tried. I had them on for almost 3 hours and I forgot that I was wearing them. I didn't get the pressure point on my head or the ear fatigue and sore ears. They were just awesome. There's a ton of awesome features in the Sonos Ace, including some of the best noise cancellation I've ever experienced. And speaking to Sonos, I'm told there's many more updates to come. I'd like to thank you for joining me on our review of the Sonos Ace headphones. You can learn more about this online at worldwidestereo.com/Sonos. And if you're in the area, you can stop by our Montgomeryville, PA showroom. We offer 60-day returns, free shipping on everything you order, and we're authorized dealers for everything that we sell. If you have any feedback or questions, I'd love to hear them in the comment section below, or you can call or email us at any time. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to stay on top of all of our updates. This has been Tommy from Worldwide Stereo. Come visit me at our Montgomeryville showroom, and thanks for tuning in.